Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the rear leveling leg in a Samsung washer. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. For the job, we're going to need a pair of large pliers, a 9/16" open-ended wrench, some penetrating oil, and a level. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new rear leveling leg. The rear leveling leg allows the washer to be properly leveled. The main reason for the leg to be replaced is if its threads are stripped or corroded, no longer allowing the washer to be leveled, causing it not to spin properly due to vibration. Let's tilt the washer on its side and make sure it's supported properly. Okay, first we're going to turn the locking skirt counterclockwise to loosen it up. And we're going to spray some penetrating solution into the threads. Now grab the large pliers, and you see it's already going, and we can unscrew it. In case if it will fight with you, then we use a 9/16 open-ended wrench. Place it on a nut here, and you can break it loose. This is the old rear leveling leg next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. Start threading in the new leg manually. All right, then check the other legs, how far they are extended, approximately. All right, now we're going to put the washer upright and check the level. Okay, let's check first the front. As you can see, the bubble is moved to the left a little bit. That means we need to lower the left side. And now we're going to use a wooden block to support the washer. We're going to turn in the leg and then tighten the locking skirt against the base. That would fix the leg in its position. That should do the trick. Now we can remove the block and lower the washer. Let's check the level again. And as you can see, it's perfect. Congratulations! Plug the washer in and check if it's not vibrating anymore. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other repair videos available on our site, on Facebook, and on YouTube.